Sejal. Today's video is a haul video which I'm super pumped about, but before that, 40,000 subscribers! Oh my god, I am so happy, and a big, huge friggin' thank you to all of you for hitting that subscribe button. And while I say that, those of you who are new and haven't subscribed, you can subscribe right there by clicking the red button below. It's here, don't remember. And you can click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a video. When I started my channel, the number like 40,000 seemed so huge, and even to put it into perspective, 40,000 people. That's a whole lot of people. Thank you. Today's haul is from Jabong, Zara, and Nykaa and Body Shop. I don't have a whole lot of things, but I have a few things which I'm super excited about. I went shopping very impulsively yesterday and I ordered some stuff off of Jabong online very impulsively, but these are the things that I'm so in love with, and I feel like there's such good quality, just such good like autumn pieces that I was really excited about. Jabong, Zara, their quality is amazing. Zara is pricey, but during the sale, if you can get your price, it's perfect because their quality is to die for. So I am going to start with Zara. So this is the first thing that I have. These are culottes and they're so pretty, man. And it has a tie on the waist, which I'm really liking. And culottes in general just look really stylish and smart. And this pair, because of the material and the flow of it, looks even better. To go with that, I got these beautiful pair of heels. Okay, they're not really high, which makes it better because I don't like wearing super high heels because I'm as it is kind of tall and heels hurt. So this is a gorgeous color for autumn, and in general too. I mean, it looks really elegant. I actually visited Zara a month back, so I saw these two things together and I was like, no man, I have to get them. Why did I see them? But the good part is when I went back yesterday, I got them for 50% off, which is awesome. White t-shirt, jeans, these, you're sorted. I actually want to buy one more thing which I might go to the mall tomorrow and get. When you go to a shop and you see something that you really like but you can't buy it because you don't have enough money or whatever else, and it just like haunts you till you buy it. That's happening with me. I'm going to put it on the screen right now. So that should also be part of my haul, but it's not. Okay, so next up is Jabong. Again, two things from Jabong. This beautiful red dress, it's all plain and it's short, and the material is that, like the rib kind of look. This is from Topshop, and again, guys, Topshop, the quality is so good. I mean, you can always expect good stuff from Topshop, and I feel like they understand how things are supposed to fit. Because with dresses, I generally feel like either they're too long or they just fit really odd, but this one is perfect. I have one more dress from Topshop. Again, the length is perfect and the fit is perfect, and that's what makes you look really nice. And I got these shoes. I think they're called moccasins or something, but either way, I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, Tess Christine, wear something like this on her Instagram, and I was like, I need shoes like that. So I found them on Topshop. Again, amazing quality. They look really smart, and shoes can make so much of a difference. White t-shirt, jeans, these shoes, yay. Okay, next up is Talk by Love. I have one thing from them. I'm wearing it right now. It's a really pretty, what is this? Floral Romper, and it has these comfortable bell sleeves. Although this size is a little too small for me. I wish I'd ordered a size bigger, but the design is really nice, and the material with the flow of it makes it really pretty for like an event or some kind of party or whatever, like a lunch sort of thing. With the maroon heels, it would look really pretty. And the next two things, which are the last two things in this really tiny haul. This first one is from Body Shop. This is a brown eyeliner. Okay, I figured this out really late, but brown eyeliner is the best. It is so much better than black. I'm wearing brown right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks so much more natural. This one is a gel eyeliner, and it's so cute. It has a brush on the top, so you can just open it and go. Then next up is this huge nail polish set from Nykaa. This was a gift. They sent it to me. Whole bunch of matte nail polishes. These are the pastel colors. This is the first time I tried the matte nail polishes, and I really enjoyed them. Although they're a little difficult to put, so if you can get it put by your mom or someone at a parlor, that'd be much better. Okay, so that concludes my tiny little haul. Okay, if you guys have any video requests from me, please leave them in the comments below, because I want to go through all of them and do something that you guys really want. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel by hitting my face right here, and you guys can watch my other videos right here or right here. And I'll see you next time. Bye!